Where do you live?
I am your neighbor. I live nearby. Hello everyone, you are watching Genius Tutorial. If you want to speak English from morning to night, fluently and confidently, practice with us. In this tutorial, I am giving some questions and answers in English. Because some people tell me that they want to practice speaking, but they don't have speaking partner. That's why they can't practice speaking properly. This tutorial will be suitable for them. তুমি যদি ইংলিশে কথা বলাটা বাংলার মতো অভ্যাসে পরিণত করতে চাও তাহলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে রাখো যেন তোমার পরবর্তী লেসনটি মিস না হয়। Now I am going to start my today's tutorial. Up to last, stay with me and enjoy my tutorial.
Who are you?
I'm a teacher.
What's your name?
My name's Jebin.
Where do you live?
I am your neighbor. I live nearby.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing very well.
What do you do for living?
I'm doing a private job.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Where is your home district?
My home district is in North India.
How often do you go there?
In every occasion and also when I get free time.
What sort of transport do you use to go there?
Usually I use public transport as well as private car.
What type of food do you like?
Our traditional Bengali food.
Can you cook?
I can, but I'm not good at in cooking.
Do you have any plans for upcoming Eid?
Yes, I will go to my hometown to celebrate Eid ul Fitr.
What type of dress do you prefer?
Our traditional dresses.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink, purple and sky blue.
How do you spend your Eid day?
I wear a new dress, eat special food and meet with friends and relatives.